Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show you the error first. If I want to extend my C drive, if I go to this option, computer management, run as administrator, or you can press Window plus R button together like this and type at disk mgmt.msc and it will open the disk management. So in my case, if I want to extend my C drive here, you can see extend volume is gray out. So if you are not able to access your C drive and this option is blur or gray out, this video is for you. I want to merge the C drive to D so that I can extend the C drive, but in my case I'm not able to do that. So how to fix this issue? So let me clear you guys. If I delete it, you can see that there is a partition next to it, so that's why the extend volume is not coming in my case. So this should be on your case as well. So in order to download the tool now, you need to go to the Google Chrome and type there mini tool partition and go to the first link and download this. It's set up download now. We will not go to the pro version. Now it's downloaded. Now you can run it from here as well. Open that, or you can go to the download folder and double click on it to run. Click on run. Click on yes button when the prompt opens. So you need to select your language. I'm selecting here English and click on continue installing free edition. Next. Click on next and click on next. Okay, it's downloaded now. Click on finish and take this option launch. Now it will load automatically. If you are not able to access it, you can go to the here mini tool partition and double click on it to open. And now we need to extend our E drive to this unallocated space we need to get. So we need to right click on here the C drive and click on merge, or you can click on extend, and now you need to click on here the unallocated space which is 19 GB almost, and click on OK and click on apply here and click on yes, and let's see and let's wait, and computer maybe okay. Click on OK. Now you can see some space is added here. Now let me try again. Extend. Let me take it from here. Click on apply. Click on yes. Let me take it from 6 drive, 6 GB, 7 GB. Okay, now you can see and click on apply. Click on yes. Now you can see 40 GB is free now. So let me try 2 GB more here. So this is how guys you can extend the C volume on your Windows. So hope this video useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.